sellers, it's Suzanne, and I have a SuperSize sales spotlight to share with you in this video. Rather than a really long video with a lot of items, which I will continue to do, don't worry, that's not going away. I wanted to start doing some spotlight videos to elaborate more on some of these higher dollar items to help you learn and point out more things to look for that you can sell for really high profit. So the item in this video is Monster High dolls. If you're not familiar with these, they came out in 2010, and I was selling on Amazon mostly at the time, doing retail arbitrage. And I remember going around to all the stores that sold this type of item, the Monster High dolls, and looking for this specific pack. It was a combo pack of either 5 or 6 different ones. I don't know that this is the exact one, but that was one of those items that you could buy for maybe $20, $30 and sell on Amazon for $100 to $150, especially in fourth quarter. So that's my experience with Monster High dolls, is selling them for a high price when they first came out. So if you're not familiar with this product line, this is from their website. Monster High is unlike any high school out there. Where else can you attend classes like Mad Science, Home Ec, and Dragonomics? But the classes aren't what make Monster High special. It's the fantastic students. Monster High students come from all walks of life, from ghosts and werewolves, vampires and sea monsters, and more. Everyone is welcome at Monster High. Monster High is a place where students embrace and celebrate what makes them different. Our students also accept their friends and all their unique qualities, because that's what real friendship is all about. Okay, so now you know what these are if you did not before. So here's the sale we're going to look at. Anisha said, "Super exciting sale for me. We were given these Ever After High dolls, so I paid nothing. They were in excellent shape, listed for about a week, and took best offer of $750 on a free item that someone just gave her." So here's the listing. Huge lot, 38, Ever After High, Monster High dolls, stands, books, accessories, and more. So you can see she displayed everything very nicely in her listing there. But this was for 38 dolls and accessories. There weren't, hundreds of items like you might find in a Lego listing or Littlest Pet Shop or Polly Pockets, any of those itty bitty items. Only 38 in this lot, and it sold for $750. So a huge shout out to Anisha for that amazing sale. But let me show you some of the analytics on eBay so that you'll understand the market for this item and also remember it better, so that when you're out treasure hunting, you know to look for these. Okay, here we are on Terapeak, and this is the free version that comes with the basic store or higher. If you are on the fence about getting a store, this is one reason you should make the jump, because you get access to the research that goes back 365 days. That is very helpful with seasonal items or unusual items, hard to find items, because the data on completed listings, sold listings, only goes back 90 days. And another issue is if a buyer accepts a seller-initiated offer, the price on the completed listings view is the full price of the item. It is not that offer that you sent. So that research is not accurate. If you use Terapeak, you can see the actual price that something sold for. So just remember that if you are only using eBay completed listings and that 90-day window, you've got 2 strikes against you using it that way. You only get 3 months worth of data, and the prices are not correct if the item was sold through a seller-initiated offer. So that's really important when pricing your item. Anyway, so let's go down here and look at some data. I put in the keywords Monster High doll in used or pre-owned condition because that's what you're most likely to find as a picker. And the time frame is the last 365 days. So first off, we see that 117,000 listings have sold with the keywords Monster High doll in the title. So that could be doll clothing. It could be a lot of dolls plus other things. It could be one single doll. That's just the keyword that I use to start this search. Over 117,000 listings in 12 months means this item is selling. There's a demand for it. So that's one criteria you want to look at when doing your research is how many of them sold during that 365-day window. And then if you flip over to active listings, there's only 27,924 active listings. So the solds far outweigh the active. Of course, the solds are over a 12-month period. The actives are right this second. But this indicates to me that they're selling through because there are so many that have sold in the last 12 months. So if we go down here and look at some of these listings, this first one here, average sold price, $9,988. That was an auction. We don't know if that's real. We don't know if the person even paid for it. So we're going to skip over those. We've got over 100 Monster High dolls, $1,999. The next one, over 100 Monster High dolls. Actually, that looks like the same one. It looks like maybe the person didn't pay, and so they kept relisting it. So we don't know if all 3 of those are even real. It may have just been one. So as we scroll through these, we can see really high numbers of items in the lots are going to bring the highest prices. So 90 Monster High and DC Superhero High dolls, $1,475. And I mean, you can just see the numbers going down here. And if you have something specific, then you need to put those keywords in the title. So let's say you have 10 dolls. Then you can put the number 10 in and try to find a lot that is as close as possible to what you are actually selling. So I just wanted to show you here that doing a broad search brings up so many sold listings over the last year. That's an indicator that this item is a good seller. And if you're not looking at the toys, those jumbled up bins and baskets of all the different Barbies and superheroes and all that stuff, you might want to familiarize yourself with Monster High because they are pretty recognizable. I mean, they look ghoulish and scary and, you know, vampires, and they definitely have a unique look, not like your basic Barbie. So they are a little bit easier to identify when you're out there trying to pick the most profitable items. Congratulations again to Anisha for that outstanding sale. So keep posting those sales on Money Making Monday. I'm out here behind the scenes watching everything and looking at your posts. And thanks again to the community in my Facebook group that so willingly shares their sales so that we can all learn. Let me know if you like this format, just spotlighting one item. I'm always trying new things to see what my audience likes and responds to. So I really appreciate your input. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day on eBay. Bye.